spark another cigarette. Another group of friends to impress, I guess. Another weekend, another thing to regret. And half the bottle's gone, time to ingest the rest. And but I can't help thinking, I wonder what I gotta do to get through this. And each to their own, but I can't stop drinking. I guess I gotta stop and admit when it's affecting my scope in my day-to-day life. It's a way that I cope when we try and get by. It's an evil escape, and I know we all try to suppress all that shit in our day-to-day life. Yeah, another pack of cigs so the ashtray gets full, and who knows why we live. It's so uncomfortable. I'm so sick and so tired of feeling expired. Yeah, my eyelids are wide from all this attire. Yeah, I'm watching my wish list like Rolex on Christmas. I'm rolling, what is this? My clock on my wrist is revolving, not twisted. This moment's not missed yet. It's blowing your mind like cocaine off my index. I wish that I had drugs, no tracks, can't afford them. An addict's worst nightmare is free time and boredom. And rappers with no lines, so we can't applaud them. And weekends with no pay is just fucking torture. My credit score's like 350. The bank looks at me like that fucker's so shifty. He's not making payments, so what the fuck is he doing with his time and or that weekly? But being that broke ain't a motherfucking joke, bro. Oh no, no flow and time seems to stop though. I point a finger out, but I know it was my fault. Catching up with me like those letters from the bank, bro.